All right, I'm back. Got some drywall screws. Put one on each corner because it's a small patch. For those of you who have an electric dryer, make sure that you is fully charged because they're not as strong as the 18 volts or the 9.6s. When you put your screws in, make sure they are subsurface or countersunk. That's important when you get ready to do your finishing drywall work. All right. And we're going to put these screws in, pause it. And then we're going to do a little drywall work. Some mud work. All right. Atlanta Handyman Services on Facebook. Jeremiah 2911 LLC here in Atlanta, Georgia. All right.